In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to create a photo post on LinkedIn. So let's get started. So first of all, you'll have to go over to linkedin.com, and once you're here, you'll have to click on this button right here which says photo. So I'm going to click on it, and then it's going to redirect you to a file explorer window. Here you're going to choose the photo which you want to share with other people. So in my case, I'm just going to upload this photo right here. It's a thumbnail. Now I'm going to click done, and then here you can write a text like why do you want to share this picture. So in my case, I want to ask opinion of different people on this post. So I'm just gonna write what do you think about my new thumbnail. So you can write anything you want, but in my case I just wrote this. You can even add links and stuff here, and then you can also choose who do you want to see this post. So let's say you only want your connections to see this post, then you can click on this option. But let's say you want everyone to see this post, so just click on any one option and then click on back. Then you can click post. You're gonna wait for it, and then it's gonna share it with all the people. So there you go, the post is successfully shared with other people. And yeah, so alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you next time. Peace out.